think that's Crossy hanging out in the barn window. No, that's Girly. Usually she hangs out up there when it's sunny, but you can see it's not sunny today. Alright, let's go see if all the other cats are out for Mari to get a look at. This isn't snow, it's just really, really cold and really, really foggy, so the fog condensed and looks like snow. It's just the frostiest I've ever seen frost get. Hi, Girly! Sweet girl! Sweet girl! There's all those silly horses out there. Kitties! Kitties! There's Mr. Under. Hi, Under! Where's everybody else? They're usually swarming all over the place.